So today what we want to do is talking about build a better mousetrap. Whether you're living in normal circumstances, you're living in economic collapse, you're living in the SHTF, you're living after society has collapsed. One of the biggest enemies you're going to have are mice and rats. One of the most effective ways to get them is to take and super glue one piece of dog food to the trap. This does two things. It eliminates their ability to remove bait from the trap, and it also makes the trap much more sensitive for them to set it off. I've used peanut butter, bird seed, all kinds of things as bait, and a lot of mice can take the bait right off the traps without setting them off. Now, as you notice, this is a regular trap, and I've tried many kind of glues. And what I found with super glue works the best because it's the fastest, and for some reason the scent does not bother the mice. I've used construction adhesive and other glues also, but they take a long time to dry. So you can modify 2 or 3 traps. All you really need is a small bag of dog food and glue one piece of dog food to the trap. Please comment, rate, subscribe. See you on the next video.